Welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss about type of SAP consultants. So what are the consultants are available in SAP? Or let's say you want to pursue the career in SAP. So either technical consultant is good or functional consultant is good. You can decide based on your experience, your qualification. So type of consultant is completely divided into area, that is first functional consultant and technical consultants. So in functional consultants like finance consultant, you can become a finance consultant, you can become a management consultant, you can become sales and distribution consultant, that is known as SD. You can become material management consultants, you can become production planning consultant, PP consultant, you can become project system consultant, you can become HR consultant, okay, you can become investment management consultant. So there are so many modules are available in the functional side. So functional consultants collects the requirement from the business and does the customization. Okay, they just do the changes, they don't do much coding part. So they are the one who do the customization of the SAP to suit business requirement. Okay. Technical consultants are those which which analyzes the thing from the technical point of view. So let's say first is basis or security consultant. Okay. So if you want to pursue become a basis consultant, then you can become basis consultant. So what basis consultant does, they do the roles and authorizations. In fact, their basic job is to protect the data of the client. Okay. So whatever data is available in the SAP, it is their responsibility to control unauthorized access or leakage of the data. They have to prevent. They have to control. That is their major job. So their major job is like they have to control unauthorized access and data leak. They have to control. Apart from that, they also do the server setup. Server setup means whenever you buy the SAP, they do the SAP installation. If you want to upgrade the SAP from lower version to higher version, the basis consult are the one who upgrade your system. Okay, any maintenance they do. In technical language, there is something called any business function. If you want to activate any new feature in SAP, they do the activation. Any SAP note implementation. So all this part is being done by basis consultant. ABAP consultant, any software is built based any software is built on some programming language. So SAP is a programming language to build a SAP software. Okay, to build the SAP software, SAP is a programming. Sorry, ABAP is a programming language. So if you want to develop the software, modify the software, enhance the software, okay, then ABAP consultant comes into picture. Okay, ABAP consultant comes into picture. ABAP full form is Advanced Business Application Programming. Advanced Advanced Business Application Programming. Okay, so this is the software and this SAP is built like C++, Java. So similarly, and above, see if you want to know anything, let's say, so I'm opening one program. Let's say I'm opening one program. So any program development, any software development, any enhancement in the software, any customization, modification in the software, okay, is done by ABAP consultant. We have another category in the technical consultant, that is known integration consultant. So generally integration consultant, they help you to integrate with the some third party software. Okay, so let's say your SAP, uh, let me put in this way. Let's say Amazon is using the SAP. Amazon is using the SAP, and they have website, right? From Amazon website you go and purchase the goods. So the moment you purchase any goods or you order any goods from the website, then it should directly hit to the SAP, the journal entry or sales order should get created. So this kind of integration, okay, generally done by integration consultant. Let's say you are running the payment in the SAP, but you want to send the payment file to the bank automatically. So bank in SAP you can build the interfaces. You must have visited the your DMart. So all the billing is done in some software. Okay, they are using some billing software. So whatever entry they make in the billing software, probably they can interface with the SAP. So whatever journal entry they post or entry they post, it will hit to the SAP software in the backend. So this they can build. Okay. In SAP you have to update the exchange rate. Okay. Now your SAP you can interface with any bank server. So whatever exchange rate they are publishing, it will automatically get updated in the SAP. So they are known as a integration consultant. So these are some consultant, uh, they are available in the SAP, and all these consultants works together. Alone nobody can achieve anything in the SAP. All consultants should and must work together to achieve the final goal. Okay, so these are the functional consultants who does the basic customization thing. These are the technical consultant, basis consultant, above integration. So generally let me show you. If you see this kind of thing in the SAP, then generally they are not above. This is done by above consultant. So any programming languages, if they write any software, they write. So this kind of thing only mostly an above consultant can do. So these are known as a code or any program. So this part is handled by your above consultant. Okay, basis consultant is said their basic job is to control the data privacy. Okay, user ID creation, they also do user ID creation, which are the user will have what kind of accesses. So everything decided by them only. Okay, so these are the basic type of consultant. If you are technical person, you can choose technical consultant job. If you are functional people, non-technical background, you can choose any of the functional consultant job. Thank you so much.